The user stories we attempted for this sprint were check application status, notify supervisor to submit evaluation, and submit evaluation. For the purposes of this video, I want to highlight the functionality that we were able to implement and show how we structured it. So let's kick it off with the process builder and showing how it sends a survey to a supervisor whose email is noted on a form. As you can see, this process is taking a look at the case object that we've been working with the entire time. And the first criteria that we're going to be evaluating is checking whether or not the case status is approved, which you can see right here by checking case status equals our pick list value of approved. If this is evaluated to be true, then it goes over to our immediate actions. We chose the send survey invitation action, which you can see right here. We then associated our survey, denoted by the name general survey, and then associated the survey link as part of the email content and used a custom email template that we'll be looking at soon. As per our instructions, we chose the recipient to come from our contact object and to send a unique link to that supervisor each time that an email is sent, as well as making sure that that user doesn't need a Salesforce account to fill out the survey in the form of the don't require authentication checkbox. So you can see that denoted here and here. Next, we're going to look at the email template view. Here we have the email template that we send to the supervisors with the embedded link, which is right here. And this is a type of Apex code that Salesforce uses so that it can insert the name of whoever is receiving this survey, who it's from, and the organization that we represent, which is the University of Georgia, more specifically Terry College of Business. So then I want to go to community, and here's what our community page looks like. And here are all of the cases that we've been testing. So to show how this all fits together, we're going to fill out a fake application and create a fake supervisor, which we'll go through here. We're going to check MIS because that's who we are. So I'm going to say my name is Samantha Pollock, 811-0000000. Graduation year 2019. As you can see, here's the rest of the form. And then we're going to search for our contacts. Here's where we're going to create a new contact. So say I'm going to have a Mr. Derby Pollock. The key part that we're supposed to be focusing on with this sprint is having an email. Alrighty. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and click save. So you can see the contact name was created. And from there, we're going to look in our approval queue to the MIS support queue. In the case that we just created with the contact name Derby Pollock, you can see is pending advisor as per our last workflow on our last sprint. So we're just going to click on that case and open it up. So here you can see everything we filled out on that form, which wasn't much. And then you can see how the overall status is pending right here. So we're going to go to approve/reject. And we're going to go ahead and approve this. Okay, and then if you go down here, you can see that the overall status is approved. So prior to our technical difficulties, this is what the email would look like whenever it would send. You could see it says, "Hello Samantha," which is me. This survey is to evaluate the performance of Scrum and Coke, which is our team name. And then If you click on this link, it should open the survey. But I'm just going to take you to what our survey actually looks like. So here's our welcome page. And rather than going to the actual survey where everything is a required field, I just wanted to give you an overview on the actual survey application. Perfect. All right. That is more or less exactly what we covered in this sprint, and we look forward to correcting the technical difficulties to provide a more comprehensive view next sprint.